Hello, YouTube, and welcome, knife enthusiast. Today we got the Ganzo Firebird F720 and 440C. This one in the green G10. It's definitely my favorite. And it's not because of the action. These other ones have really good action, actually. Big knife. Really fills up your hand. Feels really good in the hand. Deep carry pocket clip. Got a solid back spacer, which I like a solid back spacer because I carry my change in my same pocket as my knife usually. And I don't like the ones where change gets caught in them. Then you go fling it open and a freaking dime or something goes flying out. But you can get it in orange, black, or green. You can find these on Amazon right now. They're $23.45, so like 24 bucks. Definitely on ball bearings, just amazing action. So you can definitely tell there's no way you would get floppy action like that if these were on washers. I haven't taken one apart. I did look them up on eBay, and it does not say if they're washers or ball bearings. Good lockup, nice and tight on all of them. So, quick size comparison. Where's my tape measure? About 8 inches. A little over, I guess. Blade length about 3.5. Then with the handle, just over 8, almost 8.25-ish. So, against one of my favorite EDCs, everyday carries, this is going to be the Penguin. You can see it's a lot bigger than the Penguin. A lot bigger. Then the Ontario Rat Model 1, which is really comparable. This one's a lot bigger and a heftier knife, but size-wise, that's very comparable. Ontario Rat Model 2. And how about the CRKT, one of my favorite everyday carries. Carry the crap out of this thing. Put a mirrored edge on it. Was at one time anyways. I always carry this on me for yard work and stuff, so it's cut open bags of gravel and everything else since I put the mirror edge on it. Even some bags of sand. So, but this is a CRKT Fossil. Amazing action on this. One of my favorite everyday carries. It carries amazing in the pocket. You barely even notice it. Even though it's a really large knife, whenever I pull this out and use it in front of somebody, they're always like, holy cow, you had that thing in your pocket? And you don't even notice it in your pocket because folded up, this right here is what carries in your pocket. So you can reach your hand in and everything else, and it goes right by this knife. The whole knife angles towards the back corner of your pocket. So you barely even know it's in your pocket. Like, it carries so nice. I love this thing. Absolutely amazing action. But anyways, the handle's a little bit bigger than it, and the blade. So this is a large knife, and I'm surprised that it's that much bigger than this one. You can see it's pretty close being lined up with the end of the knife handle. But just wanted to make a quick video before I got all these Ganzos out, trying to organize them. So before I put them away, this one definitely needs broken in. It's definitely the stiffest out of any of them. The pivot must have Loctite on it or something, because I cannot loosen it. Black one has amazing action, though. That's my fault. It's hard to close it in the angle. Like, if I hold it upright, like you would naturally, it would close easier. But trying to angle it down in a funny angle for the camera. There we go. Absolutely amazing action on that. That one definitely could use some breaking in. The orange one works really well too. So for 24 bucks, here's another Ganzo, just for a comparison. If you don't want such a large knife, they do have other options. If it would focus. This is a G726M. Awesome action. Nice grippy handle. Definitely a smaller knife. Not quite a deep carry pocket clip. It'll give you quite a bit to grab onto. And one really similar to that one, it's going to be this G724M. Does that mean medium? 726M. Comment down below if you know if they have a large and a small of these. Because to me, that M seems like it means medium. Because a lot of times if it has an S, it means small. Or one of my favorite Ganzo knives, which this one I'd also put a mirror edge on and carry this thing almost daily for a long time. It's definitely one of my everyday carries. And this is going to be the FB727S. There you go, FB727S, 440C. Or the large variation of it. Should be the same number. 720. G720M medium. Wonder if they have an even larger version. Let's see why. That one's same exact size as a Ontario Rat. Blade might be a hair shorter. But I noticed these went up to like $29 in price, which I really wish I'd see Ganzo like come out with some newer designs and start using D2. It's a good shape there. But if you want a really large, affordable beater knife, guarantee this thing would hold up for a long time with heavy, heavy daily use. Thick, thick blade stock. Nice flat grind almost all the way up the blade. Does have the icebreaker, but it doesn't seem to dig into your hand or anything, which is good. Slow roll it. And I've never had an issue with Ganzo's 440C. So we seem to hold an edge for me for a while. Only sharpened this one once and put a mirror edge on it. And I've used it a lot. So camera does not want to focus on it. But it's definitely seen quite a bit of use since I put the edge on it. But it was hair splitting sharp. But that's all I got to show you today. Just wanted to make a quick video on this knife. Very impressed by it from Ganzo. The F720. Very, very heavy, large knife. If you're looking for a heavy use knife, I don't think you could go wrong with this for 24 bucks. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and have an awesome day.